Hi, in this video I'd like to show you how to fix a problem with adding the Google Home Mini to your Google Home Assistant app. The problem is that since June 2026 there is no possibility to add this device to your Home Assistant application. It's probably because the new generation of these Google Home Nests are coming from Google. So in this video I will show you all the issues I have in these days and how to solve them. Okay, so let's go to the Google Home application. And now when you are going to try, by the way, I will show you today's date is 26th of June. So if you are going to try to add Google Home Mini in these days, so you are going to press the plus button and now you are going to press the device. It will show you this QR code scanner immediately as the next step. At this time, you have no possibility to add this device. You can, by the way, try the official way, but this is not working, and I will show you. So if you go to add using another device, another method, and then you will choose here the Google Nest. So even if you here still can see the device you want to add, which is Google Home Mini. So it is not found, which is a problem. It's probably some kind of a bug. You are not able to edit. Well, once again, I will show you one screen which indicates that you are on the wrong version, which is not eligible to add this device. Let me show it to you again. If you are pressing the plus button in the right top corner, and now you are going to press the device. So it will get you into the QR scanner. This indicates that you already have the wrong version, which is not working in these days to be eligible or able to add this device. And I will show you how to fix it. You just need to reset all the data of the Google Home Assistant app. And do not worry, this is not going to delete your devices. Just to prove you, when I go now to my devices, you can see that I have several devices here connected, and still it's not working. If I'm trying it again, it gets me immediately into this way of adding, which is not what I need. And what you have to do is to go to the settings of your phone and find the managing of your apps. This is, by the way, Honor Magic V5, so it could be a little bit different on your phone. So in my case, I go to the apps, and now I have to go to the manage apps. And here finally I see all the applications I have installed recently into my phone. Now I have to search for the home application. Fortunately, here is the option to search for it. This is the one I need to find, and now you need to clear all the local data, which means that you have to find, again, it could be a little bit different on your phone. It's not consistent across the Android devices. So you have to find the something like storage, and you will see the option to clear cache and clear data. So at this time, you just want to clear the data, okay, and delete it. And that's all. So by the way, as you can see, this is my actual version of the home app. And now after this deletion, when we go back to the app, so I will run it again. As you can see, it has been disconnected from my account. So I have to just relog in. Don't worry, just to relog to your account and give the permissions again. That's because we have just cleared all the data, but don't worry, it's not destructive. So I go to get started and now allow notifications. So yes, I will allow everything needed. Here is the Gmail I have connected with all my devices. And now go to the next, and now allow, and if everything allow, and next, yes, location access, yes, and that's it. Now take a look on this little difference. Okay, so it's been faster than I was expected, but just to show you, I don't want to edit now, but I will show you the difference between the not working version and the working version. As I told you before, when you pressed the plus button in the top right corner and then you clicked the device button, it kicked you directly into the QR code scanner. But at this time, after deleting all the data, you will get this kind of menu instead. So in this kind of menu instead, you will have to click to search for device. Now this is the address of your home. Click next. And at this time, you are able to add this device, because at this time, after deleting all the data of this app, this new device is detected by this app. So yes, now you can continue. I will not do it again. But this is just to show you, use this workaround to make it working. And by the way, just one fun fact. After you will make this app to be able to this working state, just remember one important thing. Even the Google will not release any additional updates. It will, in some kind of way, in about 15 minutes, update it, which means that when now you see it's working. So again, what I mean is when you now are able to where is it? Sorry, are able to add the device using this menu, which has been got back using the deletion of data. So just remember that this menu will disappear in about 15 minutes after you have deleted the data, because probably there is some kind of minor update which is automatically downloaded to your device, and this will disappear. So you will lost this possibility to add this device to make this workaround working in about 10 or 15 minutes after make it running. So if you will have to, for example, next day or any other days, add another device like Google Home Mini, you will have to again delete the data to get to this state of possibility of adding the device. So just remember, this possibility will disappear in about 10 or 15 minutes regarding probably some minor updates from the Google side. So if you will want to add it again after let's say 10 or 15 minutes from now, you will have to repeat the whole process of deleting all the data. So that's the whole point. I hope it helped you. So please give me a subscribe and like if it helped you today. All my devices are still back, or my automations are back. So even we have deleted the data and just relogged again to your account, everything is back. So you don't have to worry, everything is working, and you are ready to find a new device.